CIS Configurator is a configure price quote solution that works seamlessly with SAP Business One, making quoting and ordering configurable products easy. Accurately priced quotes can be produced in minutes. Pricing is real-time and uses Pricelists assigned to the business partner record in SAP. CIS Configurator can be used directly from Business One screens. No extra login required. This innovative CPQ add-on allows product rules to be built into a guided selling process where the user's answers to select questions ensure only valid products are quoted. Those questions and answers resolve to an item list. The item list can also form a bill of material on the fly for SAP, ensuring error-free quotes, orders, and production orders. Sales, assembly, or production BOMs are all handled. Our web portal can be used in conjunction with Business One to extend the benefits of CIS Configurator and Business One to your external sales team, customers, and resellers. These users all get a centralized view of all their quoting activity in a single location. Make quoting easy with CIS Configurator. Schedule a demonstration today.